Dream the Night Away Magnesium Melatonin Lotion. So this combines the power of magnesium to relieve aches and pains and to create a sense of calm with melatonin, which is the hormone that helps you feel sleepy. This is a great part of a bedtime routine. So you can use it 30 minutes before bedtime, or if you're a real night owl, put it on an hour, even 2 hours before your desired bedtime. I think it's great to take a warm shower or bath at night, which already helps you feel relaxed, and then use the Dream the Night Away as your body lotion. You can use it anywhere you would use a body lotion because it's got shea butter and almond oil in it, which is really great for your skin. Just put it on, has a nice, great texture, and then massage it into your neck, your shoulders, your back. A lot of people like to put it on the bottoms of their feet, which they say absorbs really well into their system. Legs, again, you can use it all over your body. The other interesting hack for using the Dream the Night Away is if you're the person who gets up in the middle of the night, as my partner is, this is great for helping you calm those thoughts in your mind, feel sleepy again, and go back to sleep easier.